So say no for the important things. So I just said you have to say yes more, but that doesn't mean that you should never say no. Children need boundaries. They need to know what are the things that they can do, what are the things that they cannot do. For instance, buying. Every time you take your kids out to a shop, they're going to definitely ask you, "Mama, मुझे ये चाहिए, Mama, मुझे वो चाहिए." But do we buy all of that for our kids? Of course not. We only buy for their needs, not for their wants. और दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. And this is not to do with your financial ability. आप आपसे ये खरीदना होगा कि नहीं, उसका क्वेश्चन नहीं है. It's more about what do they need right now. They'll ask you everything that they see. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम सब कुछ लेके दें, है ना. तो बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दैट. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आई वांट टू पुट माय फुट डाउन. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि यू ओनली हैव टू से नो आउट ओपनली. समटाइम्स बिना नो कहे आप उनको इनकार कर सकते हो. कि जैसे कि अगर बच्चे ने कुछ टॉय पूछे कि मम्मा मुझे ये टॉय चाहिए, डोंट इमीडिएटली से नो. You go along with them, you check out the toy. वो टॉय को लेके आप भी देखो उनके साथ कि ये किस प्रकार की टॉय है, what is this toy, what is this all about, and then maybe your kid will explain like ये टॉय ये करता है वो करता है. Maybe आप ये पूछ सकते हो कि don't you have this toy at home, and then maybe the kid will say no, the toy I have is red in color and this one is blue in color, I want the blue one. And then maybe you can say when the red one gets broken, उसके बाद ये blue ले लेंगे हम. या बच्चों को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करो. आप ये बोल सकते हो कि ओके दिस ब्लू वन, व्हाई डोंट यू डू समथिंग, व्हाई डोंट यू मेक नोट ऑफ द टॉयज नेम, व्हाई डोंट यू मेक नोट ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स नेम, व्हाट इज इट्स प्राइस. ये सब डिटेल्स आप कलेक्ट करके आ जाओ ताकि व्हेन आवर ओल्ड टॉय गेट्स ब्रोकन वी विल कम टू दिस एग्जैक्ट शॉप एंड वी विल आस्क दिस अंकल फॉर दिस न्यू टॉय. वैसे आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो. तो समटाइम्स we don't have to openly say no, but we can just distract them, we can talk about them or dream about it. For instance, just last week my daughter asked me, Mama, can I have an ice cream? And I was like, it's winter, with the virus going on, I didn't think it was a good idea. So I said, even I feel like having an ice cream, but you know what, I then get a cold, मुझे सर्दी हो जाएगी and हमारा weekend का plan फिर cancel हो जाएगा, हम बाहर नहीं जा पाएंगे. Do you want that? And she was like, no, I want to go out. एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, फिर अभी समर्स आएंगे तो हम पक्का आइसक्रीम्स लेंगे. एंड मुझे बटर स्कॉच फ्लेवर पसंद है, आपको कौन सा फ्लेवर? एंड शी वाज लाइक मुझे स्ट्रॉबेरी चाहिए. एंड देन शी वाज लाइक मुझे नहीं स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे मैंगो चाहिए. एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड अबाउट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी कुड डू इन समर. एंड देन शी वाज लाइक मम्मा समर कब है? And we were like, this is January, you have to wait for one more month, February, and in March you will have summers. And then our conversation just went on to discuss what are all the things we will do in summer. So what am I doing here? I'm validating her desire to have an ice cream. I'm not saying कितना बुरी बात है आपने ये सोचा. No, I'm listening to her request, I'm taking her request, but I'm not actually giving her an ice cream now. So इससे दो चीज होते हैं. One, they learn to deal with disappointment, and I think in today's generation kids, they definitely need to know what is to deal with disappointment. Because you see a lot of younger kids, college students, school students taking the extreme step of suicides and self-harm, for things like my parents didn't get me a mobile phone, my parents didn't get me a bike. So let them learn to deal with disappointments by by not getting them things that they want. So they will basically have to understand that okay, I can want so many things, but I will not get all of them from my parents, right? अगर वो experience वो करते हैं अभी, definitely one reason why we are so scared of saying a no is because we are afraid about the consequences that will come after the no. बच्चे रोएंगे, बच्चे टैंट्रम क्रिएट करेंगे, they will sulk, they will get upset, they'll get angry with us, they'll hate us. All of those things will happen, right? But you be kind, but be firm. Be firm that there are certain things that I cannot get you now, we will have to wait. Or sometimes I will just not get you. It's okay. And the second thing that will happen is when they actually get it after some time, they will enjoy it more. अभी बच्चे ऐसे हो गए कि आपने उनको एक चीज दिया So they're not even enjoying what they have got. You know, if they've got one toy, they're not enjoying that I've got this toy. They're like, okay, now I've got this toy, I want that toy, right? So they're not enjoying or appreciating the things that they have. So if your kid is like that, it means that maybe you're buying him too much stuff, or you're buying him stuff too soon. आप वो wait period नहीं दे रहे हो, and that's called delayed gratification. You know, बच्चों को थोड़े अगर कुछ चाहिए तो उसके लिए थोड़ा wait करके हमको मिले तो उसका मजा अलग ही होता है. So I'm sure if I'm going to get Pranavya an ice cream in summer, in March, she's going to enjoy it much more than, you know, if I had got her last week immediately. So that time दीजिएगा आप बच्चों को. So boundaries are very important, and boundaries बस things के लिए, चीज़ें के लिए नहीं होता है. Boundaries are also important on behavior. So no interrupting when mama and papa are speaking with each other until unless it's urgent. No to selfish behavior. No to ungrateful behavior. Definitely no to bullying. So आप थोड़े values रखिएगा, थोड़ी चीज़ें रखिएगा जिसके लिए आप you will definitely put down your foot. And if you have been a yes parent, आपने छोटे छोटे चीज़ें के लिए आपने yes बोला, तो बड़े चीज़ें के लिए जब आप no बोलोगे तो बच्चों उसको respect करेंगे. Over time they will learn to understand that when my mother or father says no, then I better leave it at that, right? So boundaries are good for kids. Boundaries keep our kids safe and healthy, and they learn self-discipline. They also learn taking responsibility for their own life.